In this video I will show you how to make the handbrake in your car silent if it's one of these old types like that, where you pull the handle up and it makes the noise when you pull it up like this. Yeah, this noise can be unwanted, and sometimes you don't want to have this noisy handbrake. You want to make it silent, so you can just press on the button while you pull it up and it's silent. It's gonna be like this. See, it's silent, no more noises. It's like magic. This is when you don't want to wake up someone sleeping in the car, or whatever reason you have. If you want the handbrake to be silent, that's an easy way to do it. Yeah. And it might be a bit risky if you don't lift it enough, but if you pull it hard enough, it will work. Just know how high the point where the handbrake needs to be engaged, and you will know if you pulled it enough so that it's securing the wheels properly. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.